Hey YouTube family, hope you guys are having a great day. I'm coming to you with a new YouTube video where I talk about some great tips for Instagram growth. But before we get started with talking about Instagram, let me just say that I have finally, after months and months of talking about it and working on it, I have finally finished my daily drawing lessons course. Yes, I have finally finished it. In fact, there's a link down in the show notes right down below for you to check it out. It's on sale right now for only $25. I hope you guys, if you guys purchase it, I hope you guys enjoy it. But let's get started with today's Instagram tips for growth. All right, so this is something that a lot of people are always asking me. In fact, when I was at Epicurrent's Winter Work Week up in Yosemite in February, I led a quick impromptu workshop on growing your Instagram following. So let me talk about one of the first big things, which is consistency. When I say consistency, I mean more than just consistency of posting every day. Yes, that is big. Posting every day is definitely a very big part of increasing your following on Instagram, increasing likes, increasing engagement, increasing everything across the board. But consistency also means the things that you post. So if you are posting posting pictures like, cute selfies, or if you are like getting into posting pictures of your dog or posting pictures of your meals and stuff like that, if you're creative, those are things that are not going to help you increase your following. It's not going to help you, hit the 10,000 mark or the 20,000 mark. The thing that's going to help you is being consistent in the things that you're posting, predominantly posting things like your artwork or your illustrations, your designs, for writers posting ideas that you might have, things like that. There's so many different things that you can be posting, but the thing is that you need to make sure that you're consistent in what you're posting. When you look at my Instagram account, you see predominantly drawings, doodles, illustrations. It's very rare you'll see a picture of me, even though I like to think I'm kind of handsome, but you don't see a lot of pictures of me. You don't see pictures of my dogs. You'll see those things in my Instagram stories, but you won't see them in my actual posts. So I would definitely suggest that if you guys want to grow your following, the first big thing is consistency in the amount and how often you're posting, consistency in what you're posting, and also, and this actually piggybacks off of that, don't post a crazy ton in a day. If you're going to create a new Instagram account or something like that, don't post 30 images in one day. No, it actually breaks the algorithm, or at least I believe it breaks the algorithm of Instagram, and you're only going to see a small, minute number of likes and comments from those because you're flooding Instagram with all of this. That Instagram is like, oh wait, flag, this isn't good. Let's not show everything, show this to all the people, all the followers that this person has, or to all of our users. So the next thing is the algorithm. So the algorithm is very tricky. To be honest, I don't think many people actually know too much about what the Instagram algorithm does, only just from small updates that come out. From what I have learned, the algorithm is very tricky. One of the biggest things that it looks for nowadays is two things. It looks for engagement from yourself, engagement from you towards your followers, and it also looks for people who are utilizing all the aspects of Instagram. And that means not just posting to Instagram, but also posting to Instagram stories and also responding to DMs. I personally actually fell into a bit of a trap where my following stopped growing as sharply as it was because of the fact that I was not responding to all of my DMs that people were sending me over Instagram. I stopped, and in fact I just went back there yesterday and I had 15 messages going back 3 weeks that I had not responded to, and I feel really bad about it. Luckily I responded to all of the ones that were not spam, and I was able to answer all the questions that they had. But you have to be on that. You have to keep on responding. You have to keep on posting and everything like that. Sorry for the ding. But in addition to just like responding to that, you also have to respond to comments. It's a very major held belief that it's best for you when you post something new to Instagram, when you post like a photo or an illustration or whatever it is, to also make sure that you have, where's my phone? have your phone handy for those instances when people are going to comment on your photo. The more that you respond to people in the comments, and not with just the same thing over again, thanks, yeah, great, awesome. No, respond with like thoughtful responses to their comments. But when Instagram's algorithm sees that, they see that you are actually engaged, you're a real person, you're not just doing it for publicity, you're not a robot. And so what ends up happening, sorry, for some reason I can't talk right now, what ends up happening is they start to release your image to more of your followers. And that's another big thing. I kind of went out of order with this, so I do apologize. That's another thing, is that the algorithm, Instagram, hopefully I haven't been saying YouTube, the Instagram algorithm actually holds back your images from all your followers. All your followers are not going to see your posts right away. In fact, I believe they only release it to about 10% of your actual followers. Only 10%, maybe even less than that. So what it looks for is, you know, are you engaging? Are you responding to comments? Are you commenting on other things? Are you engaging with people? And when it sees that you are, then it starts to open the floodgates, and it allows all of your followers to start to see your work. So that's one thing, that's something a lot of people that don't understand, is that Instagram actually holds back a lot of your followers, so it doesn't show everything to all your followers. Otherwise, you know, for instance, I have 20,000 Instagram followers now. I just reached that this week. Yeah, but you know, when I post a new image, it gets like maybe a few thousand impressions, and then it probably gets only about maybe less than 1,000 engagement, unless I'm lucky. Sometimes I'm lucky and it gets more than that, and that's because Instagram holds back the floodgates. It doesn't allow your stuff to go to every one of your followers. And now, because they mess with the stream of your Instagram to where it's like the things that they believe you're gonna like more and stuff like that, it tends to kind of break things up. But the thing to remember with this whole thing is to always make sure that you are very careful about you know, commenting and responding to people. You know, the first hour or two that you post something, you need to make sure that you have your phone, and you make sure that you respond to every single comment that comes through. Even if someone's just like, ooh, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, or yay, this is great, or nice colors. Like, you just have to respond, you know, and make sure that you respond with not just like, oh, thanks. Respond with, oh, thank you so much for liking the colors. I really like the colors that I did in this illustration here. I think, though, I could have probably done a little bit better. Respond with real comments, real thoughts, because that is what's going to not only show the algorithm that you're a real person and you care about the comments that are coming through, but it's also going to show your followers that you care about them and about the things that you're putting out. So these were some just like quick tips. I'm going to probably do a couple more of these Instagram growth videos. We'll say that this is part 1 of Instagram growth, because I feel like there's so much more that I can talk about, and I don't want this video to go too long. But thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, please remember that down in the show notes, there is a link to my new course, my daily drawing lessons course, down below. It's on sale right now for $25. It'll probably be on sale for the rest of this month, and then it'll be going up to a regular price of about $49. I hope you guys will definitely go check that out. If you guys can't purchase this course, no worries. I also have some daily drawing lesson videos that I've uploaded in the past you can check out on my channel. But please remember to like, subscribe, and definitely check out that link. This has been a long road in the making. I'm really happy that the course is finally done. There were many late nights this past week of getting everything ready for this course, and I really hope that everybody's loving it. It seems like everyone that has already purchased it or that I've shared it with, they are loving it, so I hope you guys do too. Anyway, always remember, guys, to stay passionate, stay positive, and stay creative. All right, everybody, you have a great rest of your week, and I will see you Friday during the live stream Friday. Bye, everybody.